Stop scrolling. This fiery harissa sauce will level up any meal in seconds. 8 dried red chilies, soaked. 3 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon tomato paste for richness. First, soak your dried chilies in hot water for 15 minutes until soft. Drain them and remove stems if needed. Add chilies to a blender along with garlic, cumin, coriander, paprika and salt. Pour in olive oil and lemon juice. Blend until smooth, or slightly chunky if you like texture. Taste and adjust. Add more lemon for tang or oil for smoothness. For extra depth, mix in a little tomato paste. This homemade harissa sauce is smoky, spicy, and incredibly versatile. Save this harissa sauce recipe and subscribe for more quick flavor hacks.